Quazi here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to supercharge your awareness to really become more and more of a powerful creator of your reality and just accelerate manifestation very, very powerfully. Before I begin this video, I wanted to quickly announce that I'm doing a free giveaway of my book, Life Mastery. If you want to enroll into a competition to win this book for completely free, just comment Life Mastery down below. And at the end of the week, we're going to pick one lucky winner to get this book for completely free in the ebook format. It's around $12 on Amazon, but you can just get this for completely free if you just comment Life Mastery down below. Also, I'm excited to announce the Reality Mastery free one-to-one consult is still open for a limited time, and we only have 2 spots left for the month of August. So if you want to know how to get this free one-to-one consult, wait till the end of the video for the announcement on that. And with that, let's get started with this video. So in this video, I want to talk to you about the concept of awareness and how you can use your awareness and your attention to really supercharge the reality creation process and actually become a more conscious creator of your reality rather than an unconscious creator. And as you already know, the manifestation, law of attraction, these are all working in your life right now, whether it be conscious or unconscious. You are creating your reality, whether it be consciously or unconsciously. Now, the problem is most of our reality is created unconsciously because we don't have most control over our awareness. We are just living more and more unconsciously every single day. Now, you can turn this process more and more consciously every single day just by doing a few simple things. By, first of all, ensuring that every single day that you live, it feels like every single moment in every single day that you live feels like you're walking through a dark room. And, imagine how conscious you are when you're walking through a dark room. You're navigating through every single, couch, furniture, etc., etc. And it's just, this is how it should feel when you're living in complete, utter consciousness. But instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is share with you an exercise and a 5-week challenge at the end of this video that is going to help you sharpen your attention. Now, why attention is so important and so key in this reality creation scheme is because from a book called Transurfing and its follow-up called Tufty the Priestess by Vadim Zeland, who is a Russian quantum physicist and completely revolutionized reality creation in Russia. And also his works are spreading to the US and has been very, very influential for a lot of people. And for me personally, it's completely changed my life. So from this book, he talks about attention and how you can use attention as a means of choosing the reality you would like to experience. So attention allows you to disengage from this current reality and choose the next moment. Now, in this scheme of reality creation, he talks about how reality unfolds like a film. Every single frame is an individual frame of this whole film. Right now, one frame is playing, and this is the current frame. And no matter what you do, you can't change at this exact moment. Why reality creation, even action taking, works is because sometime in the future you get a result, right? This is the general concept of karma. Karma means what goes around comes around in this traditional sense, but essentially the real meaning of karma is action. And it's not just action in the traditional physical sense, but rather action in your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, everything around you, energies. All of it is just action. And it manifests itself in physical reality. Karma is the very thing that creates reality. And now the effects of karma can be evident in this lifetime, which is kriya mana karma, or in a next lifetime, which is agama karma. You're playing out karma from a previous lifetime right now, or from the past right now, because maybe you've done something bad to someone and it's playing out right now. And also, the future karma will play out maybe in this lifetime or even in the next. This is reality creation. It doesn't happen at this exact moment per se, but the boomerang comes back over time. So you can influence the future frames just by controlling your attention in the right way. So this attention allows you to disengage from whatever script is playing right now, so you can put forth your own script and propagate it, okay? And that concept is from the book called Tufty the Priestess. So if you want to know how to fully control your attention and use intention to propagate the script you would actually like to propagate, make sure you click up here to check this video out. It's very, very powerful. I've been using it for the past couple of years and my life is just transformed. So make sure you give that video a check out. And also to just really expound on this, disengaging from this current reality is so important because most people get so identified with what is going on right now that they lose sight of what they would actually like to create. Really think about that. Most people are just propagating more and more of what they would not like to see, the resistance. I don't want this, I don't want that. Even when they say they want something, they're more affirming what they don't want to see instead. So as a result of doing that, you know that reality doesn't care about the nature of your thoughts. It just reflects the content of it. And that's part of the mirror principle. So whatever you say you hate is also the same as loving. Hate attracts, love attracts. Neutrality dissolves. So if you say you hate something and you're resisting something, you're going to create more and more of it. Once you start engaging with this current reality and you start to react to it, you're like, oh shit, I hate this, more and more of it keeps coming. This is the reason why pessimists are such powerful creators of their realities, because they're just seeing what's going on right now and they're identifying with it and they're like, see, bad things do happen to me. And then more bad things happen. But an optimist could do just the exact same thing, but create powerful, positive change in their realities. And if you want to know how to do that, make sure you watch this video on how to ride the wave of fortune and just get lucky every single day up here. So essentially, with that said, the most powerful thing your attention allows you to do in this reality creation space is to disengage and rather choose what you would like to create instead. Now, most people are not proactive in creating their realities, but rather reacting to external situations. You want to get to a point where you are the cause and not the effect. This is an ancient Hermetic principle. Make sure you are at the cause and not the effect of your environment. Your environment is the effect of how you feel within. You are proactively creating your reality. Just remembering that more and more and reminding yourself of that more and more is enough to just, prevent yourself from, oh no, this is bad, that is bad, oh no, oh crap. The more you react, the more you create. The more you proact, the more you create. So in order to increase this power that we have, we want to train this muscle of attention. And now most people aren't even using their five senses. Like we're not even using our five senses to experience life fully. We don't even have our attention under our control. In order to get your attention fully under your control, you must know when and how to direct it. You must be in control of when you're directing it here, when you're directing it there, when you're not directing it at all, when you're directing it within, when you're directing it without. All is within your control. That is full control of attention. If you can just control your attention, you can powerfully shift, the track that your life plays out and which reality you're manifesting. So in order to do that, I'm going to share with you a 5-week challenge. And before you even start this 5-week challenge, I want you to click on the link in the description below to join our Facebook group so you can be a part of this 5-week challenge starting in August or even starting from right now. And at the end of every single 7 days, so there's going to be 7 days for each of these 5 exercises. And you're going to do them for 10 minutes every single day, okay? And after you do them, at the end of the 7 weeks, I want you to share a review in the Facebook group with everyone of how your week went, what were the changes and, anything exciting that's gone on, essentially. So really to put this into a more systematic way, I want you to share 3 things. First of all, what went well, what could have been better in just your reality, and also how you could improve, and maybe some exciting things that you've noticed. Just share a general guideline in that way, or you could just completely improvise it if you want. Make sure you're doing this because this creates accountability, and as we know, accountability fuels excellence. 5-week challenge, join Facebook group, do accountability, 10 minutes daily. Do these exercises 10 minutes every single day, and at the end of the 7 days for each exercise, you're going to do a review of it, how your reality was and what you observed. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is focusing on hearing. So every single day, what you're going to do is for 10 minutes, you're going to blindfold yourself or close your eyes and just focus on listening. Literally just sit down in your normal meditation pose, set a timer for 10 minutes, and just focus on listening to the sounds that you've never heard before even. In your current environment, doesn't matter. So just focus on listening and hearing, discovering new sounds, and experiencing life fully through this one sense, okay? It's best if you close your eyes for this because then the eyes or else will just get distracted and you won't be able to hear much because now you'll be or other senses will be engaged. So we want to get to a point where we're just using our hearing. So for the first 7 days, focus 10 minutes on just hearing, discovering new sounds, and just getting fully immersed in that. For the next 7 days, what you want to do is focus on seeing. And in order to do this, you want to plug your eyes. And you can get little earplugs or even put in headphones, anything that just blocks your hearing a little bit so you can focus on seeing. You want to sit somewhere and maybe even in your room and just look at the wall and try to notice new things, new points or new spots on the wall that you've never noticed before. Observe an object, look at something. Look outside in your environment, maybe outside your window. For 10 minutes, see what you would observe. And do that for 7 days, 10 minutes daily. Seriously, this is going to be very, very powerful. By the end of even 2 weeks, you'll see your senses will just get heightened. Number 3, what you want to do is focus on feeling. Okay? So just sit down, close your eyes, focus on feeling your body. Take deep breaths and focus on whatever feelings and sensations you have in the different parts of your body. Just start with your head, go down to your toes all the way. With your hands, your feet, every single part of your body, just feel. With every single breath, just feel. Work on feeling. In this way, you start to get more and more disidentified or unidentified with the body. The more unidentified you become with the body, the more you realize I have a body, not I am the body. The more you realize that, the more you can get into this is a character. This is just a character. I am controlling my reality. This is a character. And the more and more of a powerful creator of your reality you'll become. This you want to do for 7 days as well. The next, what you want to do is focus on your thoughts and just your mind. The more you start to identify or become aware of your thoughts, and the less you become identified with your thoughts, the more you become aware that you have a mind, that you're not the mind. Okay? This is very, very key. A lot of people just, give into their thoughts and their feelings and their emotions, and they start to let these emotions control them. They start to get reactive to these emotions. The reason why we're not able to propel ourselves, this character, to do whatever it is we would like to do, because we know that sometimes we just need to do this, and if we do this, we can get this result. Like imagine if you could just get your character to do whatever you wanted and still have full energy and be energetic after it. Like imagine you could do that. That would be absolutely insane. Like people want to create beautiful things in their lives, but they don't even know how to control this puppet. So if you can just focus on feeling and focus on your thoughts for 10 minutes every single day, you'll see that life will never be the same. For 7 days, just focus on your thoughts and you'll get less and less identified with the mind. Finally, what you want to do is for 7 days, just focus on taste and smell. Literally every single meal. You're going to do this by every single meal that you have. You're going to eat in complete silence and very, very consciously. You're going to chew slowly and taste the food. Really fully taste every single and immerse every single taste bud that you have in just tasting the food. I'm so serious. If you do this practice, nothing will ever be the same again. So please try this 5-week exercise. Week 1, focusing on hearing. Week 2, focusing on seeing. Week 3, focusing on feeling. Week 4, focusing on your thoughts. Week 5, focusing on your taste and smell. Eating consciously. Every single meal that you eat consciously. Okay? So for me, this is 2 meals, my breakfast and my dinner. Eat it in complete silence, consciously. No TV, nothing. Just complete silence. Eat alone if needed. And eat very, very consciously. And I'm very, very excited to see who you become by the end of this 5 weeks. Seriously, I'm really, really excited to see this. So I want you to try this out and see how it works out for you. And with that, I conclude this video. And just to recap the concept of this video, your attention allows you to disengage from this current reality and put forth the reality you would actually like to put. You'll see if you keep doing these exercises, your visualizations even get stronger. Make sure you click up here to see the video on attention and intention and how they actually help you choose the reality and propagate it and move towards that ultimate goal you would like to manifest. Next, work on becoming more and more proactive rather than reactive. Be at the cause, not the effect of your environment. Most people get too attached and too identified with their current reality to the extent that they keep compulsively playing it over and over and over. And they can't put forth that new reality that they would actually like to experience because they're too busy resisting this reality they would not like to experience. Next, what you want to do is begin training the muscle of attention. And we discussed how you can do this, so I'm not going to discuss it again. And I hope you try this out. Make sure you join the Facebook group to take advantage of this accountability and buddy up and just share with us your experience of how it's been. If you want to join this 5-week challenge, write down challenge accepted in the comments below. And also, after you've joined the Facebook group, just right below that, challenge accepted, Facebook group joined. And I hope I see you there. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell over there so you're notified of any new video that I put out. And with that, I end this video. Also, I'm super excited to announce that I'm growing that massive Facebook group. Click on the link to join. And also, the Reality Mastery program only has 2 spots available. And this is the only program that I offer because I am determined and dedicated to get you results in your reality. If you've been struggling with Groundhog Day every single day, and you want to experience a more powerful system, a powerful way to predictably create your reality, make sure you click on the link in the description below to sign up your free one-to-one consult with me while it's still available. Now, what we're going to be doing in this free consult is determining whether or not we'd be a right fit to work together, and also if the identity shifting principle would be applicable and useful to you and how we can implement it in your life. See, what I found in my personal life was that whenever I became a certain version of Quazi, I experienced that reality that Quazi would experience. And this is happening every single day. I'm doing this every single day in my personal life. I'm helping my clients do this in their lives. And I know this is possible for you as well. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity and sign up for your free one-to-one consult. Click on the link in the description below, and I hope I see you there. Till next time, peace.